Once upon a time, an old man spread rumors that his neighbor was a thief. As a result, the young man was arrested. Days later, the young man was proven innocent. After being released, the man felt humiliated. As he walked to his home, he sued the old man for wrongly accusing him. In court, the old man told the judge they were just comments, didn't harm anyone. The judge, before passing sentence on the case, told the old man, write all the things you said about him on a piece of paper, cut them up, and on the way home, throw the pieces of paper out. Tomorrow come back to hear the sentence. The next day, the judge told the old man, before receiving the sentence, you will have to go out and gather all the pieces of paper that you threw out yesterday. The old man said, I can't do that. The wind must have spread them and I won't know where to find them. The judge then replied, same way, simple comments may destroy the honor of a man to such an extent that one is not able to fix it. The old man realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. Moral: do not blame anyone without knowing the fact or the truth. Your words may ruin someone's reputation without any fault of theirs.